Hi everyone, welcome to Comet Computer Private Limited, e-learning program of Azure Public Cloud Training. Myself, Ilan Cherian, Technical Director at Comet Computer Private Limited. In this video, we'll be discussing application delivery services. The application delivery services, many services are there. So these application delivery services comes under the networking services. So content delivery network and Azure front door service, traffic manager, load balancer, application gateway. So these are all the application delivery services. So we'll be understanding one by one of the services. So initially we'll understand a content delivery network. A content delivery network is a distributed network for servers that can be effectively deliver web content to the end users. Content delivery network stores cached content on the edge servers in point of presence locations that are close to the end users to minimize the latency. Azure Content Delivery Network offers developers a global solution for rapidly delivering a high bandwidth content to users by catching their content at the strategically placed physical nodes across the world. Azure Content Delivery Network can also accelerate dynamic content which cannot be catched by leveraging various network optimizations using content delivery network POPs. And Azure Front Door. Azure Front Door enables you to define, manage, and monitor the global routing for your web traffic by optimizing for best performance and instant global failover for high availability. With Front Door, you can transform your global customers and enterprise applications into robust, high performance, personalized modern applications, APIs, and contents that reaches a global audience with Azure. And now understanding about Azure Traffic Manager. Azure Traffic Manager is a DNS based feature. It is a DNS based traffic load balancer that enables you to distribute traffic optimally to services across global Azure regions while providing high availability and responsiveness. Traffic Manager provides a range of traffic routing methods to distribute traffic such as priority, weighted, performance, geographic, multi-value or subnets. And now understanding about Azure Load Balancer. The Azure load balancers provide a high performance, low latency layer 4 load balancing for all UDP and TCP protocols. So it manages inbound and outbound connections. So you can configure public and internal load balanced endpoints. So you can define rules to map inbound connections to backend pools destination by using TCP and HTTP health probing options to manage service availability and understanding about Azure Application Gateway. So Azure Application Gateway is a web traffic load balancer that enables you to manage traffic to your web applications. It is an application delivery controller as a service, offering various layer 7 load balancing capabilities for your applications. And that's the end of the video. In the next video, we'll be discussing network monitoring services. Until then, bye bye.